Yes, student, let us study circle. So here we are taking the topic tangent to a circle. A tangent to a circle is a line that intersect the circle at only one point. So let us see the figure. Suppose this is a circle. Let us take a line. This is a line. Take another figure. In the first we are observing line and circle, they are not intersecting. In the second figure, both of them are intersecting at a point. Let us take one more figure. Here, if we take line to the interior of the circle, then it is intersecting the circle at 2 points. So in the three cases, which one will be taken as tangent? This. Why? Because here the line is intersecting the circle at only one point. And in the third case, it is called secant because it is intersecting the circle at 2 points. Point of contact. It is the common point of circle and the tangent. So if we see the figure, this is the point where the circle and tangent are intersecting. So this is point of contact. Now let us do a theorem. The tangent at any point of a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. It means we have to prove radius and tangent are making 90 degree of angle. Suppose this is a tangent to the circle. This is the point of contact. This is the center of the circle. If we connect point of contact to the center of the circle, then this will be the radius. So this is the angle between the radius and the tangent. This we have to prove as 90 degree. Let the name of the tangent be AB, the center point be O, and the point of contact be P. Now let us write what is given. AB is a tangent to the circle with center O. What we have to prove? OP is perpendicular to AB. Now for this we have to do a construction. We have to draw a line OQ. So let us draw a line OQ which will going to intersect the line AB. Let this point be L. Proof. Let us compare OP and OQ. If we compare OP and OQ, we can observe OQ lies outside the circle, so we can say OQ is greater than OP. OQ we can say it is equal to OL plus LQ. In place of OL we can write OP. Why? Because OL and OP are radius. So here we can say if point Q is taken anywhere on the line AB except on P, it is always greater than OP. Why? Because it lies outside the circle. Thus OP is the shortest distance to the line AB. And this point you have to note, shortest distance to a line is perpendicular to it. So this way we can say OP is perpendicular to AB. It means both of them make 90 degree of angle. Thank you.